Hi everybody, and welcome back to my chicken coop. Today I'm here and making a video here because my chicken laid some really weird eggs and I wanted to show you and also open and make a video about it because these eggs are really weird. Let's check them out. We have a plate here and let's start and see the eggs. This is a normal egg for reference and you can see it's this size. And this is the really weird egg they made. This has no shell whatsoever and it's super squishy. Look at this. It's like a balloon with a dangly floppy thing that looks like a candle. So weird. Look at this thing. And then the same chicken made this giant egg. And probably the chicken made this huge egg before and then he made this because he didn't have enough shell to cover another egg. And look at this thing, probably there are 2 eggs inside this. It's crazy. So, let's open them and see what's inside. First of all, let's open this really weird squishy egg. I don't know even how to open this because you cannot pop it like this. I got a knife and I'll try cutting it. This is resistant. That's so weird. Oh. And it's a regular egg inside. But look at this. That's the weirdest thing ever. Look at this floppy shell. That's super weird actually. And I'm gonna turn this into an omelette today and eat it. And so I will also taste what this tastes like. And now let's open this giant egg. Look at this thing. It's huge. It's oblong. It's so weird. So I will just go at it and cut it. I bet there are 2 eggs inside here. Whoa! What the hell is this? It's so huge. That's weird. And the shell is normal. It's not really thick. But look at this thing. What the hell is this? It's only red inside this egg. So weird. And it smells like a regular egg. So I will try and eat it. Let's see how it goes. And now it's time to make an omelette. This is the floppy egg as you can see. Just add a pinch of salt. I'm gonna mix it. That's really weird. It's dense, really dense. And look how yellow it is. It's crazy. Perfect. This is ready. Let's go with the other egg. And this is the huge egg I opened before. Let's add a pinch of salt again. And let's mix it. This really smells of egg. Really hard. Can you see a difference? And this is a little more yellow than this one. Of course, these had 2 yellows inside. And this only 1. But still. And what I like doing is using butter with my eggs. It makes them much softer and better. So I'll just cut a slice of butter. I'm gonna put it there. And then I will add the soft shell egg inside. Look how thick it is. It's crazy. And then I usually do like this and I make scrambled eggs, you know? I like them. It cooked really weird. And it's pretty much ready. And now let's add another piece of butter and do the other egg. This one is much runnier. Much runnier. And you just can see how much bigger this egg was. Look at this. This looks like 2 eggs already. It's big compared to the other one. And this one is ready. And now that the eggs are ready, let's go on with the taste test. First of all, look at the difference. This was the decayed egg, and this one was the double-sized egg. Look how much more I got from this. It's like 2 eggs in one. In fact, it was 2 eggs in one. But I'm really curious, because this was a lot denser, and this one smells like egg really hard. So, let's start with this one. It's hard to cut. It's crazy. It tastes like a normal egg, but it's a little more chewy, you know? In fact, it was denser, and you have to chew it more. Let's test this one. It tastes pretty much the same as the other one. It's just you got more. And yeah, they taste pretty much the same. And there is a reason for that. Probably they came out from the same chicken. In fact, he made a really big egg, and then he didn't have enough shell to make a second one. And so this happened, basically. These chicken are free-range chicken. They eat whatever they want, they roam around, and they live a good life. So that's why these eggs are really yellow and almost orange, actually. And they taste so good. I mean, they are super fresh. So, I'm gonna finish these eggs, cause I'm really hungry right now. I hope you liked this video, cause it was a little bit weird for this channel. But still, I guess it was curious to see what these eggs tasted like. Most people would throw them away, cause they didn't really seem really good, you know. But, if you got eggs like this, eat them, they're super good. And as always, stay safe and happy flying. Bye, wish me happy dinner. Bye.